Okay, good afternoon everyone. Today we are discussing the topic about file system. Generally, what is file structure means? It should be according to your required format that the OS can understand. This is the file structure. Anyone can explain the further topics?
So, file structure. Actually, a file structure should be according to a specific OS readable. So, it should be compatible with whatever OS you are using in your PC. So, it has many types. So, we see a file has a certain defined structure that is according to its types. Then a text file is a sequence of characters organized into lines. A source file is a sequence of procedures and functions. An object file is a sequence of bytes organized into blocks. It's like object file is a bunch of sequence of bytes, which are the characters organized as into a particular blocks. So now types of files. There are three types of files: ordinary file, directory file, and special file. So in first ordinary file, we use it like text files, database storage items, and then programs like C, Python, Java, those programming files. Then directory file. Directory file is a list of file names. So we'll be saving it as in C drive, D drive, right? Those are known as directory files. And then special file. Special file are we'll be using it in other devices like printer and accessing it in other networks like that. So file system. So a file system is a structure of web by an operating system to organize and manage files. So it is used to organize and manage files on a storage device like hard disk, pen drive, SSDs, so and so. And then it stores data in hierarchical manner. Like we will be storing in C drive, we will be having many folders. Inside that, we will be having particular folders, we will be saving files inside that. So it will be based on the hierarchical manner. Next, so example. So as I said, we are taking a C drive. In that C drive, we are saving. There are two main directories. Like there is one known as program files and the other known as pictures. In program files, it contains many subdirectories for different tabs, and each application may have its own subdirectories of data. And then pictures we will be using it to contain image files.
So I'm here to explain the file access mechanisms. It refers to the manner in which the records to the file may be accessed. And sequential access. A sequential access is that which records are accessed sequentially or in the same order. Like the first one first, second one second, in the order. In the file processed in order, the one record after one another. Direct or random access. Random access for file organization provides accessing the records directly. Each record has its own address on the file, by the help of which it can be directly accessed for reading or writing. The record need not to be in any sequence within the file, and they need to be in adjacent location on the storage medium. Next, the index sequential access. This mechanism is built up on the base of sequential access. An index is created for each records. It contains pointers and various blocks. The index is searched sequentially, and its pointer is used to access the file directory.
Let us conclude this session with a small assessment. Generally, what are the types of files? Anyone can tell about the types of files?
There are three types of files.
Ordinary files, directory files, and special files. Right? what are the types of mechanism, file access mechanisms?
Sequential access, direct or random access,
Index.
index